जय माता दी। अच्छा गाइस, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट ऑक्सिलरी बॉयलर्स। बॉयलर्स की मैंने वीडियोस बनाए हैं, बताया बॉयलर कैसे काम करता है। आज थोड़ा सा लाइव चक्कर ही मारेंगे और देखेंगे कि व्हाट बॉयलर इज ऑल अबाउट। बॉयलर के अंदर टू सेफ्टीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वन सेफ्टी इज फ्लेम फेलियर। फ्लेम फेलियर क्या हुआ? नाउ this is all the machinery is running all in auto, right? So what happens is oil is going in and it is burning. When it is burning, it is producing exhaust gas. This exhaust gas is heating the water, which in return is producing steam. Now suppose oil is going in but it is not burning. What will happen? What will happen? Sara oil will start getting connected into the furnace and there will be a big mess into the boiler. Boiler will get damaged, right? So what they have done is they have put a photo cell in the boiler furnace. So this photo cell is basically sensing all the time कि भैया हाँ भाई light है. That means boiler is burning, fuel is burning, so all is normal. And suppose in case it senses कि भैया हाँ oil is going in but there is no flame inside, it is not burning. That means something abnormal is there and it will shut down the boiler. So right now what we are going to do is we have to try out this flame failure alarm. So what we do is when the boiler is running, already it is firing, we will take out that flame cell. When we take out this flame cell, that is the photo cell, what happens? Now photo cell does not sense flame inside. It says, अरे fuel तो जा रहा है लेकिन भाई आग नहीं लगी. There is no fire inside. That means something is abnormal and it automatically shuts the boiler and boiler stops. जय माता दी guys, this is auxiliary boiler. ये इतना बड़ा auxiliary boiler है. ये इसका furnace है. यहाँ से oil अंदर जा रहा है. You can see the flame inside. ये आग लगी हुई अंदर दिख रही है आपको? Now these are the flame eyes. अभी मैं इनको I'll remove them and immediate थोड़ा दूर रख. You will see that flame extinguisher. See the flame extinguisher and alarm has come that boiler is shut down. Copy guys? So these are the flame cells. See carefully. These are the photo cells. Copy guys? Jai Mata Di. Thank you very much. Hi GMS friends, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I hope you like this video. One thing that you have to remember is that you have to join top-notch shipping company or college with sponsorship and in the shortest time possible because time is money and time कभी वापस नहीं आएगा. 100% results, shortest time possible. Join SMBD Marine Academy offline coaching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Link सबके description box में. Now let me talk about another very critical alarm that is low water level trip. Low water level trip. दो बार low लगा रहे हैं यार. What does that mean? See, water is a very important component inside boiler. If there is no water, first of all there will be no steam. Secondly, the heat transfer will not take place. भाई पानी को तो गर्म करना हमने, अगर पानी नहीं है what will happen? The heat will be hitting the tubes and those tubes are going to get burned. पानी है तो हीट लेता जाएगा, हीट ट्रांसफर होता जाएगा. The tubes are not going to tubes का temperature is not going to increase. But if there is no water, in that case there is full chance that tubes are going to burn. Many cases in past there have been cases where complete boilers have been damaged because of this. There was no water inside. So पहला एक alarm आता है that is low water level alarm. Second is low water level trip. Now in normal case what happens is किसी अभी I am in ECR, this is ECR, but boiler is situated at a one platform above. But अगर मुझे उसका पानी का लेवल जाना है, I can see over here, I'll show you. This is boiler का प्रेशर कितना है यहाँ पर लोकली मुझे पता चल रहा है. I am coming to know how much is the water level over here. This is -9. तो वहाँ पर जो गेज ग्लास है उसके अंदर सेंटर से थोड़ा सा नीचे this is the water level. I can see over here whether that it is running in diesel oil or in HFO. Which pump is running? Is burner is running or not? Burner motor is running or not? Feed water pump or water is running for boiler is running or not? So all the indications for the boiler system I get in ECR itself, apart from the alarms that I get. Now this remote what I am getting over here, this water level is through DP cell, differential pressure cell. So basically it measures the differential pressure in the steam drum and lets us know कि भैया how much is the water level remotely that we come to know over here. Accordingly, there is a steam pressure transmitter fitted on the steam side which tells us how much is the steam locally over here. Now understand one thing, this is all automation. On a ship we should not be relying completely on automation क्योंकि एक छोटी सी गलती we are screwed.
So on ship, apart from this water level alarm coming in ACR, there is a different individual system provided on board ship, and that is a float system provided, which is completely independent of automation. And if that float comes down, it gives low water trip. Straight away the boiler trips. Copy it?
Now let us see the animation part of a low water level float and try to understand its functioning by three important cases. In this case 1, you can see the float level chamber associated with the boiler. The white colored part is the steam part and the blue colored part is the water part. You can see the float inside, which is attached to the magnet, and this magnet is inside the switch unit, which has got limit switches fitted along with that. Now in the case 2, you will see actually the boiler water level falling. With the boiler water level falling, you will see that the float is also going down. When the float moves down, the magnet moves down and it attracts the limit switch towards itself, due to which you can see in the circuit diagram the boiler trips. Now in the case 3, we are going to try out the boiler low water trip ourselves. In this, what we do is we shut the steam inlet valve to the low water level chamber. Then we shut the water inlet to the low water level chamber. Then we open the drain and we empty the low water level chamber, due to which the float comes down and trips the boiler. This is carried out once every week.
Okay guys, so boiler is firing, you can see over here. Right? Now let's go on the top and try out boiler low water level trip, which is independent of the any system or any automated system. Guys, ये है वो DP सेल जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा था. First I shut the steam side. Water side. Now guys, दोनों side shut है. No steam is coming, no water is coming, and I'll open the drain. पानी इसमें से खाली हो रहा है. We'll have to wait for some time. Let's go down below and see when the boiler trips automatically and alarm comes. Come. Coming from over here. And अभी थोड़ी देर के अंदर when all the water has come down, it will trip. We'll see. लगा. See, the boiler has tripped, guys. On low water level alarm. Boiler has tripped on low water level alarm. Shutdown has happened. Jai Mata Di.
If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. To watch more such videos, you can find the link of the Visionary package in the description box below. Thank you.